You know if there's any scams people should look out for? I know like there's like some Uber scams and like other like gig app scams. I don't know if Rover has any that people should look out for.
I I haven't had any too bad. I've had it there's only been one time that I had like a potential client that was being like a little strange. Like I told them that a certain time. It was just like it was kind of like I just felt like uncomfortable and like it was just strange that they were like kind of they were just really wanting me to come over and do the meet and greet and they were like super like overly wanting me to come and like
Oh,
flexible. It was just kind of creepy.
yeah.
And so it's like I would, but it's like I'm sure as like a woman, like when when it's like if it's starting to make you uncomfortable or you question it, just don't put yourself in that situation. And if you're going to go to someone's house, make sure that somebody knows where you're going. So
Yeah.
I think that is really important for like safety because obviously some of these like things that you do, like if you're doing like a house check-in, you are going into someone's house. So that's why it is good to do like a meet and greet outside and like first and make sure you're not like creeped out or like you don't get any weird vibes and stuff and make sure that someone always knows where you are when you're walking a dog
Yeah.
checking in. I think that's really important. But I haven't
Yeah,
had that
true.
was about the only time that I've ever like had someone that might have been like a scam or creepy or whatever. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I guess I don't even know how someone would like scam with Rover.
Yeah, I know. I
So,
was trying to think. I haven't I've just had like I mean you might just have like a creepy person, but it could just be me being paranoid. But if I feel even slightest bit creeped out, I'm just not gonna do it. So
yeah.
it's just like not worth it.
Yeah.